morning, student. In this video I am going to explain about the hyperlink in HTML. That means how can we link a particular text or image or email with some others text, images or mails. In hyperlink, when we just click on certain text, we get connected to the some other pages or other website. So hyperlink is very important in the website. Whenever we see the website, most of the tags and most of the images or most of the text have been linking with some other pages of the same website and some other pages with the different website. So how can it possible? In this video I am going to explain the various tags which is used for the hyperlinking. The most important tag is the HTML hyperlink tag is the anchor tag, and with the anchor tags we have some attributes which is very useful to create the linking between the different pages of the same website and the other website. So whenever we put mouse cursor over a hyperlink text, we get a pointing hand, and when we click there, it automatically redirected to the some other websites or some other pages of the website. So how can it possible? We will see later in this video. Firstly, the links have been of two types, and that is the internal links and the external links. Internal links are basically those links which are connected within the website, within the same website, whereas the external link is basically used to connect the links between the different websites. So links can also be internal links can also be categorized as absolute and relative links. Absolute linking, that means that we have a here I am just describing in this part. Hyperlink enables users to navigate from one topic of the text to website and from the one website to the another website. So basically it is used for the navigation. It is of two types, that is internal links and the external links. Internal links are the links to the pages within your own website. It could be either absolute or relative. So in absolute links are those type links which can have the complete URL. That means if you want to open the if you want to connect with our school website, then I have to linking with the proper URL of that particular school. Okay, yeah, that means we have to put http://www.apsgaya.com. Okay. But in the contrast of the relative links are basically connected with the same directory. That is, it is not used as a proper URL. It is basically used in the within the internal links and connected to the same directory or another directory. So external links are basically used to connect the other website. Okay, and these are always absolute links. Now when are using the linking, we use the anchor tag. So anchor tag is the tag which is used to create the link, establish the link. It is a container tag, so we have to open, and it should be also closed. It has used with the different attributes. The main attributes is that is href. Href is the basically attributes which is used to hypertext reference to that particular web link or that particular directory. So along with the anchor tag, that is the A, we are just use to connect the other website or the same website of the portion. We use the href. So this is the syntax. So this is the syntax, that is the href is equal to syntax. That means in this way we have to write angular bracket a href http://www.apsgaya.com/ visit the school site. That means that this is the word which is basically used to link with the apsgaya.com. So in this place we have to write the particular sentence or particular words that is linked with the apsgaya.com website that is given in the href. Okay, or you can simply type, if you want to connect with the same website with the having a different web page, then simply we have to write the page name. That is the simply, if you connect with the gallery.html, simply we write the gallery.html and the name of the text that is shown in the, and that is the show the gallery. And in this way we can write both ways. Both are the syntax that is used to create the linking between the website or linking between the certain page. Now So let's take an example. Let's take an live demonstration how to create the web link. For this, I have already created a page having certain codes. You have already understand that all these codes you have studied. In this code, I have mentioned about the heading tag. I have mentioned about image which is in the center position and some text regarding the APS. So if we browse this particular HTML file, we will get this type of results. Okay, Army Public School, and this is the page. This is the photograph of Army Public School, and then below there is certain lines about the APS Gaya. So if we want to create a linking here, then what should we do? हमें अगर linking करना है तो हमें क्या करना होगा? So then firstly we have to go to the HTML file where we want to create the code. We can put the coding. So what we have to write? Firstly, start with the anchor tag. Okay, href is equal to double quote and put the complete address of the school website. That is the http://www.apsgaya.com. Okay, double quote close, and then we have to write the certain text that you want to link with that particular school. Okay, so visit the school. Visit the school. This is the text that we have been linked with the apsgaya.com, and then close the anchor tag. Okay, now, and if we want to put this particular text in the center position, then we have type the center tag. Center tag. Okay, you already know about the center tag. What is the use of the center tag? To align the centrally. Now save it, go for the browser and refresh it. Here we find a certain link is just beyond just beneath the this particular text, that is the visit the school. If anyone user want to visit the school, then it just go through the cursor here, and then it shows a point hand mark. That means this particular text is connected with the some other links, and what will happen if we click here, then we see that the school website is redirected. Okay, so in this way we can connect certain text to the certain websites. Okay, now this is the first thing. Now the second thing is that if we want to connect the image, that means ki whenever any users click on that image, what will happen? If a user, simply back it, if a user went to click on this particular image, then it will direct to the apsgaya.com. Then what should we do? So for that, if we want to take the images to making a link, that means कि creating a link to an images, हमें एक क्या करना है, image को as a link के तौर पे use करना है. Then what you have to do? Then go to the file and simply here before image tag, we should write here a href is equal to http://www.apsgaya.com. Okay, now हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया, पूरा वेब एड्रेस URL लिख दिया, and then we should have to close also the anchor tag, and here we close the anchor tag, save it and go to the browser, refresh it. Okay, sorry, there is some certain problems. Okay, we must have to see in there. href http://www.aps. Yes, there is a problem that we have not closed the double quote. Okay, save it, refresh it. Okay, here whenever we just move the cursor over the image, we get a pointing hand, and it indicates that this particular image is linked with somewhere. So when a user click this particular image, it will redirect to the link. Okay, this is linking with the Army Public School website. So in this way we can conclude that we can link with the text and also with the